Hey Sugarpies, how you guys doing? Welcome to a new video, and in this video we are going to buy some few things, some few furnitures for my room because my room has been, and I want to change things up. I'm just gonna insert a clip here. This is how the before, this is how my room is currently looking like this is how it is. It's half not painted. This is all I have in my room. This is all I've been having ever since I came here, ever since I started living in this room. So we're just gonna buy some few furnitures, and I'm gonna try as much as I can to take you guys along with me, maybe when I go and buy, and then when I'm like organizing everything. So please do give this video a big thumbs up, and let's go. Ndafeka uyu ke ndafeka mate andina ndakatengesha
uzotora kana warongedza ka
toda kutora before ndarongedza dzidzi after ndarongedza chipuraso icho
ndichiza mafotozi muchitora kuti munoshina mirongo nango
tora toda kutora
sai kuona munhu kana munhu aiti zvona ari kuda chibhesi changu chochiye ndakaona akachiguma nekamitoka
Sugarpies. So how are you guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. We are done cleaning the place. At least I've cleaned a little bit and try to like organize the furnitures and stuff. And this is how the room, just giving you guys an overview of how the room is looking like right now. I don't have, let me show you, let me turn the camera. So this place here doesn't have a carpet. I want to go and find a carpet to put somewhere here so that I can hide that paint right there. Also, this thing, I don't even want to open it, but let me just open it to show you guys. It's not organized. Like, I just pile all the clothes in there. I need to go and buy hangers so that I can hang the clothes and organize my clothes. Also, I have some clothes which are up there. Guys, my house doesn't have a ceiling. I don't mind that. I have to wash those clothes. I have to put these blankets somewhere here. Anyways, we'll organize together. But right now, I just want to go buy hangers plus a carpet for this place. Guys, I can never ever pass by Pip without going inside the store and see what they have. So I'm back home. Escom has done it. There's no electricity. So I got some few things from Pep. Let me share them with you guys. Let me put them here. Okay. Actually, I also went to Spar to buy some groceries. Should we start with the groceries? Yeah, I'll start with the groceries. So I bought these bands. These are raisin bands. I love them. I love them for breakfast. So I bought this for my breakfast. Let me put them right here. And then I bought this. This is pork. These are pork what? Pork ribs. Huh? Pork rib chops. So I bought some pork rib chops. And anyways, some pork ribs. I wanted to make because I did not eat in the afternoon. I only ate when I left home in the morning. I had breakfast with only 2 slices of bread. I wanted to come back and make pap with this, but Escom has done it. If the electricity comes back, I'm going to cook. If it doesn't, then I guess I'll eat some bread and sleep. And then I bought this soup. These are no soup. Knorr. How do you spell this? Knorr soup. So I have, this is beef and tomato soup if I'm cooking beef. This is chicken noodle soup. Okay, I'll put in the chicken maybe. And then I have this is cream of mushroom. And then this is minestrone. This is minestrone soup. And then this is curry vegetable soup. And then we have some baked beans. I went to Woolworth, and I bought some baked beans. So this is baked beans, chakalaka with beans. And then this one, this is tomato sauce, ne? Yeah, this is tomato sauce. And then I have a tuna right here. It's not gonna focus. This is a Woolworth food. This is a light meat tuna shredded in brine. That. And then I have this. This is maize meal for cooking pap. So as far as grocery is concerned, that's it. Now let's go to Pep, my favorite store. You guys, I love Pep. Like, I love Pep. Me and Pep, same WhatsApp group, and we are so active. So I bought these hangers. These are white hangers for hanging the clothes in my cupboard. As I told you guys earlier that I want to go and get hangers. This is a set of 5. There are 5 and they're each 26.99 rand. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I got 4. So it's a set of 5, 10, 15, 20. I'm sure this will be enough for my clothes because I also don't have clothes. Then we have this what's the name of this thing? It's called Colenda. This is 1999 rands. It's like that. I love the color. Like, I'm so into this gray. Like, I love this for plastics. Like, I don't like having a rainbow of plastics in the house. I prefer white and gray. That's it. And then I picked up another can. I have 2 of these. So I picked this one. The other one I use for sugar, milk, and this one is gonna be for coffee. So I picked up another one of this, which is 24.99, 25 rands. And then what else do we have in this plastic? I have these socks. I bought these socks for wearing my sneakers. They are like that. They're in gray. I love this gray. Like, I'm so drawn to this kind of gray. So they're like that in this way. How many? 18 rands. 18.99, 19 rands. And then we have a scissor. I remember my sister commented that I should change my scissor because my scissor is Butu. Okay, sis, I changed. We have a new scissor in the color gray. And this was 17.99 rands, 18 rands. And I think the last of the last. What's going on? Oh, that's it, you guys. That's it. That's it. In here, I just picked up like 3 tomatoes because I wanted to make that soup. If the electricity comes back, I'm gonna use that, and then I'll go and stock up later. So as far as paper is concerned, that's it. We have another bag right here. This has clothes in here. These colors, I want to send them to my son for coloring. I took that for him. And then in here, I have a bunch of jeans. These jeans are not mine. They're for my sister. So I'm just going to keep them aside. Yep. So many jeans. Yo, sis. 4 jeans. Wow. I'm jealous. I'm so jealous. So I went to this shop. I was just passing by this shop called, what's the name? It's called, okay, anyways, it's just a random shop. I was just walking by and then I saw this. Okay, it's called Creativity. The shop is called Creativity. And then I saw this top. Like, I don't have a long sleeve top. So I saw this top right here and I fell in love with the color. Like, the color is what drawn me to it. And then the fact that it has a V-neck collar. I loved it. It's light. This is light gray. The color is like that. So it was like that. And the price was like, ooh, only 30 rands. Yeah, it's 30 rands. I got it for 30. There is the price. 30 rand. And then I picked up, you guys, with me, whenever I'm home, like when I'm home after I bath in the morning, I prefer wearing tights, leggings, jeggings, whatever you call them. Tights, yeah? These are tights, ladies tight. I prefer wearing tights when I'm home. I don't like wearing anything else. So tights, maybe with a t-shirt, so that I'm comfortable enough. So I saw this color. This is a nude tight color. I was like, I need that. I need tights because I only have one. So this is just a perfect nude and it goes for 60 rands. And then the last thing that I picked up in that Creativity shop, I only picked up 3 items. Another tight. Like, I've never had a tight this color, but I saw it, I was like, you know what? I remember I have a top like this, so it's like, I'm getting you, like, no discussions. I am getting you. So I have this color, I have the nude, and then I have a gray one. I think when it comes to tight, I'm sorted. Guys, I'm trying to stay away from black clothes as much as I am black. I think black doesn't like me, so I'm trying so hard to stay away from black clothes and just do other colors. So that's it for this little haul